Very good morning, everyone. I hope all are doing well. This morning is peaceful, memorable morning for everyone. Today, we will talk about on a topic of difference between a 5-star and 4-star hotel. So let's start. 5-star hotel is a luxury hotel. It provides high quality services and a premium experience. The room was very comfortable and stylish. Room service is available for 24/7. The staff is very kind and professional. The food is high quality. A 5-star hotel provides luxury, comfortable and top class service. Now, about 4-star hotel. Let's talk about 4-star hotel. A 4-star hotel is also very good, but it is less how to say luxurious than 5-star hotel. The room are comfortable. The service is good. The price is more affordable. Facilities are good, but not top level. A 4-star hotel offers good service and comfortable at a lower price. Now, difference in those hotels. A 5-star hotel is more experience and luxury. A 4-star hotel is less expensive but comfortable. 5-star hotel means luxury and the 4-star hotel means comfortable. I hope you like this video. If you want more English learning videos, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, support me. Thank you for watching.